What's up, everyone? Randy here with Big Salinas Barbecue. On this video, we are going to be covering trimming, brining, and deep frying turkeys for our customers for Thanksgiving. Be sure to check out our podcast, Damn, That's Good with Big Salinas Barbecue. First episode, we're going to be covering recipes for brining, injecting, roasting a turkey, deep frying, and even smoking a turkey, and also giving you tips, tricks. So be sure to check that podcast out. You can download it anywhere you get your podcast. So stay tuned and cue that intro. Here we have a full bag of Meat Church bird bath brine that we mixed in with water. Let's fill the water up to the top. We're going to drop in some ice to keep it cool, and then we're just going to let it rest for about 13 hours, and then we'll get them ready to deep fry. Here we're going to get the temperature up to about 350 degrees, and then we're going to drop it in very slowly and cook it about 45 minutes or 3.5 minutes per pound.